Okay? So, pwede rin nating ma-solve yung slope of a line given lang yung equation of a line. Okay? So, first, dapat yung malaman, yung standard form ng equation of a line is ganito siya. Ax plus by is equal to c. Okay? Now, yung formula ng slope natin, given the equation of a line, is negative a over b lang. Okay? So, try natin gamitin yung formula. For example, number 1. So, find the slope of a line given the equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. Okay? So, dapat naka-standard form yung ating linear equation. Okay? Yun yung first step. So, naka-standard form naman siya. Same sila, no? Okay? Then, gamitin na natin yung formula. So, m is equal to negative a. So, yung a natin, yung number na katabi ni x. So, ano yung katabi ni x dito? That is 2. So, 2 yung a natin. And then, yung b natin, yung number na katabi ni y. So, katabi ni y si negative 3. Okay, so, therefore, yung slope natin is negative 2 over negative 3. Magiging positive siya. Magiging positive 2/3. So, ito na yung slope natin. Okay? So, isa pang example. Example number 2. 5x is equal to 8 plus 5y. Okay. So, dito, hindi siya naka-standard form, di ba? Hindi siya naka-standard form kasi dapat naka-equate sa constant yung ating linear equation. So, lipat natin itong positive 5y. So, magiging negative 5y siya is equal to 8. Okay. So, naka-standard form na siya. Okay? Naka-equate na siya sa c or sa constant. Okay? And then, gamitin na natin yung formula. So, m is equal to negative a. So, ano yung a natin? So, yung a natin is yung number na katabi ni x. So, ano yung katabi ni x? That is 5. And then, yung b natin, over b, yung number na katabi ni y. So, ano yung katabi ni y? Negative 5. So, negative 5 over negative 5, magiging positive 1. So, therefore, yung slope ng equation, yung linear equation na to is positive 1. Okay? Comment below guys kung nakatulong yung video ito. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like this video.